Balanced Scorecard Excel. Ready to take your business strategy to the next level? Unlock the power of strategic management with our Balanced Scorecard Excel Template, BSC. Designed for business leaders and teams who want to transform their vision into measurable results, this tool makes tracking your company's performance easier than ever. Monitor your KPIs across 4 key perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. Download our Balanced Scorecard Excel template today and start measuring, analyzing, and improving your organization's performance like a pro. The template contains the following modules. Configuration. In this module, you will be able to set the start month and year to properly align your strategic planning. Additionally, you can adjust the weighting percentages of the criteria and indicators according to your organization's needs. Indicators. Here you can register and manage the list of key performance indicators, KPIs, for each of the 4 strategic perspectives: financial, customers, internal processes, and learning. The template allows up to 15 indicators per area, with options to configure the format and set specific objectives for each KPI. KPI data registration. This module facilitates the monthly capture of actual data and target values for each registered KPI. It features an intuitive form for entering information month by month, allowing for detailed and organized tracking of the 4 strategic perspectives. BSC. Balanced Scorecard. Based on the recorded data, this section automatically generates the balanced scorecard, displaying key results such as objectives, achieved outcomes, variances, status indicators, and comparative analysis. You will be able to view historical information for up to 12 months and access a dashboard with status indicators for a quick performance assessment. Dashboard. Designed to provide a graphical and dynamic overview of all indicators, this module presents monthly results, the overall summary, and trends for each KPI, facilitating interpretation and strategic decision-making. Monitor your KPIs across 4 key perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. Download our Balanced Scorecard template in Excel and start measuring, analyzing, and improving your organization's performance with a professional, user-friendly tool.
Template available from Solus Enterprises. Visit our site at solusenterprisesstore.com.